As the APC turned around, a drone dove directly in front of it. There was a massive explosion, and nothing was left there. Other tanks and APCs moved towards the Ukrainian positions. Now, the Ukrainian drone pilots are ready in their positions. An FPV drone is flown. The drone attack successfully hit one of the vehicles. The remaining tank continued to move forward. The Ukrainian drone pilot continued his attack. However, due to its thick armor, the tank was still able to move. The operators did everything they could to prevent the Russian tank from approaching, but they failed to do so. The tank reached the tree line and became an easy target. A drone pierced its armor, leaving it like scrap metal consumed by flames. Despite Ukraine's frequent successes in military operations, Russia continues to launch attacks on a daily basis, even though it often fails. Despite their lack of weapons, FPV drones remain Ukraine's most effective defense. Russian forces spread out in various directions to confuse the FPV drones. But they were unaware of the large number of pilots manning the defenses here. Once the Russian vehicles were within striking distance, dozens of FPV drones were deployed, each targeting its own target, and these pilots knew how to hunt them down. The first tank has been successfully destroyed, and then it goes to the other tanks. After receiving a direct hit, the Russian tank was engulfed in flames due to the ammunition it was carrying. The soldiers inside the armored vehicle were fortunate to escape before the FPV drone reached them. However, the vehicle ultimately became the next victim. Another APC was also approaching from another direction. The APC managed to avoid artillery fire. Even a mine explosion couldn't stop it. But when a Ukrainian operator directs a drone towards it, the following happens. There was a massive explosion. Ukrainian operators continue to hunt down the Russian APC. Nothing can help this APC anymore. The APC exploded with great force. It is likely that the Russian troops guessed what happened to the remaining APC and decided to flee. The drone approaches its target and another explosion occurs. At the same time, another armored vehicle came into view. It was a Rakushka APC. It keeps moving forward, and it seems nothing can stop him. But no, a FPV drone managed to stop the vehicle. The next drone flew straight into it. Now it's the turn of a Russian tank equipped with anti-mine equipment. The tank marches across the field. But now comes the Ukrainian FPV drone. The drone disabled the navigation system and the crew escaped from the tank. Just one more step. Another drone attack. Burn it straight away. This time, Russia carried out a large convoy to carry out the attack. The convoy consisted of their best tanks. From a distance, we could see that they were stopping near the trees, seemingly preparing an attack strategy. A moment later, the tanks began to move forward. However, Ukraine did not remain silent. Artillery attacks immediately hit the convoy. One by one, the Russian tanks were hit. We can see here how the tank crew ran to save themselves. Even cluster bombs were released to thwart the convoy. And now just imagine how Russia suffered its losses. These are some of the Russian APCs and tanks that have been damaged and abandoned by their crews. Meanwhile, the surviving tanks and APCs continued to move forward to continue the attack. But unfortunately, they had to cross a vast plain without any protection. So the Ukrainian operators easily detected the vehicle and immediately destroyed it. And finally, it ends with an APC stepping on a mine. Then, Russia started attacking again. Now, 2 APCs are moving on the road. Meanwhile, Ukrainian drone pilots were ready to face the attack.
Який FPV розрахунок.
A soldier prepares the first drone for the attack. The 2 APCs were now starting to close in. The first drone was ready and flew to meet the enemy. It hit one of the APCs. The APC stopped and disembarked its crew. Then, a second drone also attacked it. One more accurate strike ended the attack. The 2 APCs are now left behind in flames. The attack failed. Let's look at another attack. These 2 APCs invaded Ukrainian territory. One of them covered the other, who was continuously firing at the Ukrainian positions. Drones come to thwart it. The Russian APC lost ground, but continued to attack. The APC hit a mine and stopped. The second Ukrainian drone was already hovering above it and attacking the target. The APC was engulfed in flames. The fire made the ammunition explode quite quickly, and then a massive explosion. To protect their tanks, Russia often uses its very powerful thermobaric systems. This is a high-priority target that is important on the battlefield. A kamikaze drone easily destroyed this system. This Russian system appears to be in a hurry to return to its base. However, a Ukrainian drone managed to destroy it. And this is the 2 S-9 Nona self-propelled mortar. Russian weapons are also often used to support attacking forces. This time, we will see the artillery duel between the two sides. Ukrainian artillery opens fire. A perfect shot. And this is 2 Nona systems at once. Russia also fired at Ukrainian defenses. But it didn't take long. HIMARS launched several missiles. The missile hit both systems perfectly. The next target is the Russian BM-21 Grad. As Russia reloaded and moved to new coordinates for the next attack, Ukraine sent drones to destroy the system. Perfect timing.